Months after Governor Cuomo signed the Compassionate Care Act, the state has opened its medical marijuana program to the public. But many patients are finding they cannot yet get access to the drug or find out what doctors can prescribe it. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Riley joins us live from outside of one of the dispensaries in Williamsville tonight.
Well, Jeff, this location on South Union Road in Amherst is one of 2 locations in Western New York that is authorized to dispense medical marijuana. And even though the program is now officially underway, take a look over here. Not everyone is happy with the way it has been implemented because this program still needs to go through a lot of growing pains.
We're waiting on the final green light.
The Pharma Canada dispensary on North Point Parkway in Amherst was technically open today, but as of early this afternoon, it still did not have a supply of medical marijuana.
Once that final green light comes down, we will move product from our cultivation centers and bring it on site.
That did not stop Dr. Laszlo Michler from the Dent Neurologic Institute and the mother of a patient from coming to talk with Pharma Canada managers.
I'm receiving 100 phone calls every day from patients requesting treatment.
Lisa Val from Grand Island has an 8-year-old daughter with epilepsy. For 2 years, she has pushed legislators to make medical marijuana accessible to people with chronic conditions, an effort she is thrilled to finally see come about.
So it's a little disappointing this morning, walking in there, not being able to walk out with anything, but I'm hoping within the next couple weeks.
Bloomfield Industries is operating the only other medical marijuana dispensary in this part of the state on South Union Road in Amherst. And while workers told us it too was open and taking registered patients, the facility is still under construction. And that had members from the Buffalo cannabis movement protesting out front, upset that the state health department did not provide more information about how patients need to register for the drug.
Commissioner and the governor failed in their duties.
Medical marijuana may be legal, but the drug is still viewed as a Schedule I narcotic by the federal government. And even though 150 doctors are now certified by the state to write prescriptions, their names are not being made public.
Our patients have to be responsible at the same time. They have to understand that everyone's at risk to prescribe medical marijuana.
The Dent Neurologic Institute tells us they have 8 doctors now certified who can prescribe medical marijuana, and 2 more are expected to come online in the future. But Dent is reminding all patients that they need to talk to their own physicians first, and then you have to have one of 10 medical conditions in order to qualify to get medical marijuana. Live in Amherst, Ed Riley, 7 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Ed. And coming